Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about how to avoid a climate disaster. This video was inspired by a book of the same name by Bill Gates. Currently, about 46 billion metric tons of greenhouse gases are released into the atmosphere. We have to get this number down to zero. Most people say that lowering the emissions is enough to lower the temperature to about 1.5 degrees above pre-industrial levels. But this is not a solution, as this only postpones the event when the temperature rises to 4 degrees or above. The phenomena of rising global temperature is known as global warming. Global warming happens when the heat from the sun radiates off the Earth's crust but gets trapped in the greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases are gases which are very good at trapping heat and causing global warming. These gases include but are not limited to carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide. The plan's simple. We have to use all modern technology like solar, wind, hydro, geothermal, and nuclear power to get clean electricity. The nuclear fission method of electricity is considered to be the best because it gives the most energy for the lowest amount of resources and it causes the least number of total and relative deaths. We have to get everything possible to run on electricity, which, if the plan followed, comes from clean sources. To do this, we also have to invest in improving batteries and their storage power. For things which cannot run on electricity, we need to develop cheaper biofuels whose costs are comparable to that of fossil energy. This is for things like airplanes. The extra cost for clean technology as compared to the carbon emitting technology is called the green premium. We have to get it to zero. The governments also have a lot to do. They have to update their policy to make it easier to produce and purchase clean goods. The government can also increase carbon taxes and subsidize the clean technology. They should also fund research and try to reduce market risks for these clean technology inventors. When there is a demand for clean technology, the suppliers will switch to produce it. With this switch, everything will move towards the clean electricity and technology. We as citizens and consumers can also do things like buy electric cars, use electric heaters and coolers, and eat less meat. With the right measures, we can get to zero. I was inspired to make this video after reading How to Avoid a Climate Disaster by Bill Gates. Thanks for watching and remember to stay twice as curious.